Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, No Spaces. I'm Lee, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, here I am under these disrespectful lights, so you know what time it is. It is Foundation Friday. So today I am going to be using the R.E.M Beauty. This is their Sweetner foundation in Deep 8CN. This is what the bottle looks like. It's frosted, but it's not glass. It's plastic. And you get 1 fluid ounce. 1 fluid ounce. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this foundation. You see, I got it from Sephora. $35. They have 60 shades. It's waterproof, also vegan and cruelty-free. And I'm going to be using the Supergroup Glow Screen Sunscreen as my primer. Now the rest of this video will be voiceover because I'm kind of in a rush and I have a doctor's appointment today, so I want to get everything done. So I'm just going to do a voiceover for the remainder of the video. But of course, I'll come back I'll show you the application. Then I'll come back after I finish my makeup to just tell you some initial thoughts, and then check back in at the end of the day and tell you how the foundation wore. Okay, y'all, let's get to it. R.E.M Beauty Sweetner Foundation is a clinically proven skincare color hybrid, delivering instant hydration that improves over time with buildable, blendable coverage. So it's clinically proven to hydrate instantly and up to 4 weeks. I don't know what that means. Fueled by R.E.M Hydro Smooth Essence with raspberry leaf extract and hyaluronic acid spheres. Infused with niacinamide, known to brighten, correct dullness, and reduce the look of pores. It's a natural matte finish. 100% said it made their skin look and feel moisturized, nourished, and supple. 100% said it made skin look more radiant than current foundation and looked smooth on skin. 100% said it was flexible and synced with skin without setting into fine lines and accentuating skin texture. All of this is built from a 4-week study. And in that study, there were 31 people. They did it for 4 weeks, and that's what they found. So, don't know. So, it blended in nicely. I like the look of the finish. It doesn't feel too drying. But the shade match is wrong. It's a little too dark. But I do like the finish. The foundation says it's matte, but it looks a little hydrated to me. A little, maybe it's a natural finish. Looks good. Okay, so I'll be back to show you my finished look and save the time, and then come back at the end of the day. Alright y'all, I'm back with my finished look. The time is 12:04, so I'll be going about my day, seeing how this foundation wears, unless you know at the end of the day. But real quick, for my eyes, I use the new Golden Hour palette by Colourpop. And for my lips, this is the new reformulated MAC Rubi Woo, and it does feel nice and comfortable on the lips. I love the old Rubi Woo too, but sometimes it can be a bit dry. But I think they took that out in this one. All right, y'all. All right, that's it. I'll see you at the end of the day.
Hey y'all, I am back. It is the end of the day. It is 8, you can't even see that, 8:09. So I've had this foundation on for 8 hours. Looking at it, it looks great. I think my foundation looks good. I feel like I like it, but I'm gonna go because this foundation had a lot of claims. So I wrote down a few of them. It said instant hydration. I don't feel like my face got hydrated, but I do feel that it does not take away and it's not drying. I still feel moisturized. I don't feel like, oh, refreshed like with hydration. I do not feel that. It is buildable. It is blendable. It blended out nicely. My only issue was I got the wrong shade, but I was able to make that work. It also states that it reduces the look of pores. I still see my pores. They're not big, so they don't bother me, but I still see them, so. Yeah, I still see them. Yeah, I still see them. It correct dullness. I think that does too, because I get dullness right around my mouth. And I think that it did that. Natural matte. If it's natural matte, then it's probably a natural finish. It does not feel matte to me at all. Look and feel moisturized. That's the way what I felt, not the instant hydration. Look radiant, yes, and waterproof. I did not test that, but I had it all day. There was no. I didn't get it on anything, so I didn't have them white, so I couldn't tell that. But I do like it. I think it can be a bit heavy if you put a lot on, that you will feel like it's a heavy foundation. But it held up and it looks really good. So, yeah, first impression is favorable. Favorable. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. And until I see you again, stay fly, sis.